In the previous video, we've just checked the estimate rows generated by drag and drop, the manual approach to the quantity takeoff. A more automatic approach has been developed, and we are going to show the utility of the takeoff calculation rules. In order to create a takeoff rule, it is necessary to start from the selection of an object or by a filter on type of objects in the BIM viewer. Once the filter has been applied, click the button New Estimate Measurement that opens the interface where we are going to create a takeoff rule. This interface contains the essential information for the creation of a takeoff rule that can be applied several times to generate new estimates. The icon confirms the type of filtered objects. You can then write a description of the rule, select an item from the project price list or from the reference price list. Simply pressing this button, it is possible to change the price catalog. Then, fill in the formula taking the properties from the model. For example, select the object's name to fill in the comment field, then take the height and width of the doors in order to calculate the area. Of course, it is possible to select the area directly exported from the 3D CAD. You can then decide to save the calculation rule in a previously created system catalog of rules. Otherwise, the rule will be stored in the current project rule. You can decide whether to save the article or not. Then press Create Measurement and Save Takeoff Rule. In this way, you can save the takeoff rule in the system catalog and generate the estimate row at the same time. To support the revision phase of the estimate in case of changes, you can use the Estimate Update function in the QTO module. You can click the button directly from the estimate you wish to update. Once you click the button, you must select the start model linked to the estimate and the updated one. Then click Compare Models. The program will extract the list of differences that are already arranged by type of modification. To arrange information in a different way, you can simply drag the column header to the top of the grid. In this way, the objects will be grouped accordingly. You can check the objects that underwent dimensional changes or that have been cancelled. The next step is to create a custom field, thanks to which it is possible to identify those rows that contain references to deleted objects. Then, please press the Accept Updated Values button so that the new estimate will be generated connected to the reviewed model. We want indeed to point out that the original estimate won't be overwritten, but a new copy will be generated so to keep the history of the different versions of the project. Insert now the code of the new estimate, the description, and select the custom field that mark those rows linked to deleted objects. Then press Run. Thank you for watching this video.